Good morning everyone. My name is Vikram Aditya. Today I am going to talk about freedom fighters. India is our beautiful country. Many brave men fought for our freedom. We are free today because of them. One of them great freedom fighters was Subhash Chandra Bose, also called Netaji. He was born on January 23, 1897 in Cuttack, Orissa. Netaji was a brave, great leader. He led the Indian National Army, speaking words, "You will glad, I will give you freedom." We are remember all freedom fighters. I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.